Folks, now we're on board this great boat. We're going to start with the swim platform. You can lower this platform down anytime you want to get better access to the water so you're not having to jump off the transom area. As we move back into the transom, as we said before, this boat comes equipped with twin 250 Mercury V8s. Great power, plenty of power to get you up on whatever water activities you want to do. Another great feature about this boat you'll notice is there's a pull button right here. You pop it up, and you have great storage as well as access to your shore power cable down here. This is a great storage cabinet on this boat. One thing about this boat the features of this boat that is really impressive is how much storage is actually available for all kinds of stuff. As we move into the main salon area, you'll notice a huge seating arrangement that gives you plenty of room for all your social activities. Not only does it have a lot of seating arrangements for family and friends, but you can also move your captain or your co-captain's chair forward and aft so that you're not sacrificing any seating in the main salon area when you're out in the water. Over towards the starboard side, you'll notice this boat also comes well equipped with a summer kitchen with a grill. It also comes equipped with a nice sink as well and a refrigerator. As we move up further up towards the bow, we're going to stop right here first at the head compartment. And you'll notice there's a nice full-size electric head as well as a nice sink down below. The helm, like all Sea Ray helms, really nice, pretty nicely laid out, ergonomically put in the boat. It's great design. This boat comes with a nice joystick command as well as a nice digital throttle. Most of your switches are going to be fully integrated into the helm station as well. As we move up into the bow area, keep in mind I'm about 5'10", 5'11", depending on which day you're talking about. And then I got plenty of room up here to sit down and enjoy this great bow area. Not only does it have nice seating, but you can also put a table here. From back there, the table fits in this little puck up here in the bow so you can entertain and have meals up here as well. This is a beautiful boat. It comes really well equipped with tons of options on board. We've just gone over a few of the many options. If you're interested to see this boat or would like to come out to go over it with me, please don't hesitate. Come on into MarineMax here in Jacksonville. We're available Monday through Saturday anytime. Thank you so much.